All right, quick unboxing. Bassfinder, new box, new baits, new month, March. Do this quick. Got Bait Labs. That one right there. That is winning tournament action. What color is it? It's Fire Shad. Let's open it up real quick so you guys get a good look at it. Because I got places to be, things to do, and I want to catch some fish. And this is going to be awesome. Look at that, like perch color. It's kind of hard. Let me get the right angle on it. There we go. I bet that dies. It's got a little bill on there. It probably dies 0 to 5 feet. It's probably what it'd say on there. I'm going to be guessing and say that's correct, because I use a lot of crankbaits. 1 to 6 feet. I was a little wrong. It goes a little bit deeper. Really, it's got that translucent color, so that's going to be great for the spring, especially in the clear water, which is I do fish a lot of. Put it aside. We're going to move on to the next one. Vicious Fishing. Got a nice jerk bait called the Herky Jerk. I like that name. That's a funny name. I like funny names. Funny names make me smile. They make me laugh sometimes. But Herky Jerk. Herky Jerk. And it looks like a kind of a shad color. Blackjack. 100. That's actually better. I like the 100 better because it's just a lot more flash, and it's on the side, but it's smaller than, like, say, a 110. Traditional difference in sizes you guys can see right there, so I can show you guys. That's going to catch a snot out of some bass. The old jack slap. Got one of these in my Mr. Tackle box. What's it? The traditional Mr. Tackle box. The old Carl's Bait and Tackle. Got one of those already. You guys seen them. Things saying how much they cost. Introducing Bassfinder gifts. 20% off entire order, limited offer. Send your box anywhere plus printable gift certificates at code gift20. If you guys want to use that, use VEN10 also. Get you another 10% off. Won't hurt. Monster back hook. Monster back hooks. Okay. Monster bass hooks. This is the mystery item they mention right there in your, comes in your box. 3/0, kind of small, but perfect for if you're just using little doodads like the old structured bug from Strike King. Not bad at all. Perfect timing this time of year. You got a spinner bait from Impact Series Lunker Hunt. This one, what color is it? What color? Excuse me. I don't see a color where it says color on it, but it's, you know what? Let me just open it up so you guys actually get a look at it. It's kind of a crappie pattern in my opinion, which is going to get me bit like crazy here pretty soon. One big blade, one for clear water. This is best. You got the 2 willow blades, it's a tandem willow. Those work best, especially this time of year. They're still chasing bait fish. That's getting tied on. We're putting that on when we get out there. Crankbaits. Which one is this? Bruiser Baits. We had a heck of a good time on their jerk bait in the last video. That's a Fire Craw. Is it Craw? It says Craw. B-Dog Craw. That. This is a deep diver. That one's 4 inches, weight, ½ ounce, dive depth 2 to 4 feet. I'm surprised with the bill on it, like it has, that it only dives 4 feet, but maybe it's because of its size or its buoyancy. Who knows? There it is. Digging the colors on that one. It's got that springtime pattern. Really what you want to be throwing. In all honesty, you can throw about any crankbait as long as a nice little tight little action. It will get you bit. Keep on going. Get that out of the way. Liquid Mayhem Twinge. Comes a little made with real fish attractant. Stick bait, black and blue. Can't go wrong with black and blue. Black and blue works all day long. Can't complain about that. That's going to be awesome. I have a bunch of them. First ones I have like that color, black and blue. Another crankbait, Castaic. I use Castaic. I like Castaic. It does wonders. It catches lots of fish and it will get you bit. That one, what's the color on it? They're calling it Molten Craw, which is kind of a phantom blue, little white. Oh, I really dig that pattern. That is a really good crankbait. Yes. And that one is definitely like 2 to 3 feet at best. I can't see it. What is this? 2.1. I can't read it. Okay, there it is. 2 to 4 feet. That dives 2 to 4 feet, and that'd be a really good one to go with. Put that back in the back in there. Put it to the side. Flukes. Everybody loves a good fluke action in the springtime. They get you bit. This one's by Egg Zone. And what is the color of the Whiplash Shad? Look at that thing. Oh, tell me that ain't gonna get Willy wonked out there. That thing is nuts. Love the color on that thing. It's got some blue with some red and silver and gold fleck, blue fleck, purple fleck. It's got about every fleck you need. It's got the split body. It's not really thick, but it's got a nice long tail. I'm gonna love them. I'm gonna throw the donk out of this. Find some donkeys with it. Last but not least, probably gonna be one of the most favorites of the box. Egg Zone Lures. 3.25 Hot Shot Minnow. I'm just getting started getting into drop shotting, and I'm not great at it. I have not found success. Just started this year, but I'm excited about these. These little doodads. Look at the color on that girl. If I can get it in the camera correctly for you guys to enjoy, and just the slightest little wiggle. Yeah. If you guys want one, don't forget to use the gift 20 code. Use the VIN10 code. Get you a box today, and go out and catch you some fish. This is the next big thing, in my opinion, for mystery tackle boxes. Carl's Bait and Tackle runs. They have amazing things, but everybody's getting the same thing. Monster bass. You got 6 cents. Well, now you have an option. Bassfinder. I like it. I like different. I don't always like using the same thing everybody else is using when they get theirs first of the month, or today, as in like the 18th. Fish will see these lures over and over, but get you a different box, get you some different baits, and try some new things out. And thanks for watching, guys.